Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today, let's do a couple short links. Get started by signing up to any of the sites listed in the description below. Let's use only Faucet for this demonstration. Go to your dashboard and select Short Links. Choose a link to complete. Let's select the xe.io link. If a pop-up appears, quickly close it out. Now select the blue Continue button at the top. Next, select I'm not a robot and solve the CAPTCHA. Once again, if any pop-up ads appear, close them out immediately. Now wait 5 seconds until the link is prepared. Now select Get Link. And that's it, you're done. Your balance should be updated. Next, let's do the Cuty.io short link. Go to your Help Coin dashboard and select Short Links. Choose the Cuty.io short link. Select the blue Continue tab. If a pop-up appears, quickly close it out. Next, select I am not a robot and solve the CAPTCHA again. Wait until the timer runs down and select the blue Go button. Every time you select the button, an ad pops up. This is how they make money. Keep clicking Go and closing out the pop-up ad until they run out. Once you closed out all the ads, your link should be completed. As you can see, the coins have been sent to your balance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.